Hey, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. This week, I'm going to cover some DIY household hacks that you can use right away once you get your products. Yes, essential oil infused cleaning products that actually work. Yes, and our plant-based Thieves cleaner, you betcha. That's coming up. Might as well show you guys how to use this stuff and how I use it in my house and have a lot of great success with it all. If you're liking what I'm doing, hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that bell. That way you won't miss another video. Hitting the bell just means you're going to get notified every time a new video comes up. Why not? Okay, let's get on with today's video. Today I'm going to start with Thieves Cleaner as the first DIY hack I have for you. I take my 16-ounce bottle. Now this guy I got on my Essential Rewards Thieves package. It came with a ton of Thieves products, and you can actually find that right on my website, and I'll talk about it later, or PM me. So I'm going to start with my bottle. I'm literally going to take this bottle. You might receive it and go, wow, that's small. What am I going to do with that? It's going to go like in no time. Haha, wrong. I'm going to get 17 bottles this size out of this. Now, how do I do that? I literally take a cap full. I don't want it spilling all over the floor. Right, ooh, there's a cap full. And this, and I'm literally gonna go like this. Ooh, some spilt out. What you get for doing it above ground. There's a little bit spilt out, so I'm just gonna go doop, doop. There we go. See, just sitting at the bottom there. And I'm gonna fill the rest with water, right? This is my distilled water, because I like using distilled water. We used to have really good water here in Mission, but they started messing with all the water pipes, and then rust started coming out. And lately I've been smelling chlorine, so I've been filtering and using distilled water since then. It's been several months now. So I'm just going to fill this right up to the top, and if you want, if you're going to be doing windows and stuff, you can add a little bit of white vinegar, just about like the thumb width, and by width I mean not the length of your thumb, the width of your thumb. So there we go. I like to leave a little bit of room for the sprayer. So just a thumb width, like literally that of vinegar, right? And put your spray bottle in, give it a little shake, get it all mixed in there, and you now have a cleaning product that will do pretty much everything in your house. You can add this to your floor mop if you have one of those sprayable floor mops, to your windows, your floors, your bathtub, kitchen sinks, like bathroom sinks, anywhere that you need to use a cleaner, use this. It's amazing. So that's it. I just spent $1.77. Basically, I took my cleaner, $1.77. I can do the entire house, and that'll last me a little bit. Okay, next up, I'm going to do my Thieves hand soap. Now, you can buy this product if you don't have time for DIY, or you can make it. Now, what I use is Dr. Bronner's Clear Castile soap. There's no perfume. It's not scented with lavender or whatever else it comes with. Just get the plain unscented Dr. Bronner Castile soap, and I'm just going to put this much in. That's it. That's all you need. And then I'm going to take about 10 to 15 drops. I like to do 15 drops of Thieves. So we do 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make you count it out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think one more stuck in there, so now there's 16 drops in here. It's okay. You might want to start with 10. I like to have it a little bit stronger, so start with 10. And then I put 10 drops of orange, just plain old orange. And this is, oh, it's coming out fast. Whoa. This is just cold pressed orange peel. It's fantastic. It smells amazing. So I'm grabbing my filter. Yeah, I had to lean over past the camera because it's just me here. I'm setting all up. There's no team of anything here, just me and my iPhone. And there you go. There's your spray soap, or your foam soap. There's your foam soap, and I just put this on. You might want to put a little bit less in there. Luckily, I can clean my floors after. But there you go. There's your foam soap, and then just make sure the handle goes around to the right spot, and you'll have your foam soap. Give it a good shake, and I don't know if I can do this without There you go. Messy, but you get the point. I cracked myself up. Anyway, foam soap. I will go wash this off later, but you have an idea of what we're doing here. Making the foam soap. So that's it. And next up is your room spray. So how do I make the room spray? This is my room refresher. Gets rid of any stink, and I do mean any stink, like bathroom stink. Ugh. Sometimes that can be really gross, especially if you have a man in the house. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, also good for stinky shoes, stinky sandals. If you're going barefoot and running around in the summer and sweating, just use this, spray it right on there. Totally good, gets rid of stink, like I'm serious, any stink, your gym bag, whatever it is. So this one's really easy. I just gotta grab my purification oil. Yes, I just leaned away from the camera. Big no-no, but hey, it's just me. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do 10 or 15. Actually, I might do 1 or 2 more. Man in the house. And I like it to be a bit stronger, probably because I use so much oil. I like it to be a little bit stronger. You don't have to. I recommend starting with 10 drops. And then again, your distilled water. In this case, I'm using filtered water, as you can tell by my Brita here. And I'm filling the rest up with water, spilling it all over the floor. Oh, my floors are going to get a good clean today. There we go. And leave a bit of room. That's what I say, leave a bit of room for the spray cap, right? It's a 2-ounce bottle, spray cap. And this is a really messy video. And there you go. Give it a little shake and go ahead and spray. Oh, my hands are still soapy. Let me just get that off there. And a little shake. Then we're going to spray. I don't know if you can see that on the video. Happy this has been restored in the bathroom and anywhere else you want to use your spray. So again, I'm using Orange and Thieves for my Thieves hand soap, right? The foaming hand wash. That's the wrong bottle. I'm using Dr. Bronner's plain unscented Castile soap. Just a little bit, right? We're only using about that much. And filling the rest with water. I'm using my purification oil as a spray, making my purification go further. So that covers some of the DIY hacks I have for you today. Sometimes people get their products and they don't know what to do with them. They're like, what am I going to do with this? And it may sit on the shelf for a while. Or you're staring at your Thieves and you're like, it's not winter, I don't have a cold, what am I going to do with it? Here you go. These are things you can do with your oils, right? I now have a full soap. I used very little, spent very little money, very little oils on this, and this will last a while, right? I have a stink spray that's not going to be full of chemicals that I'm spraying in the air and breathing in, right? It's really, really cool to use essential oils in as many ways as possible and just really ditch and switch the chemicals in your house, right? There are always cheap DIY and fun ways to make the oils go further, right? I live in BC, Canada, which stands for bring cash these days. It's a really expensive province to live in. So it's really good for me to know all the DIY hacks, and I'm happy to share them with you because I'm pretty sure you guys out there with families or on tight budgets, whatever you're doing, this is a way to make your oils go further and still have chemical-free products in your home. I hope you enjoyed everything that I've done today. If you have, again, hit that like bell. It's really good if you do that for me. And subscribe. You don't want to miss another video, right? Why would you? I keep doing them. I also take suggestions. If you have a topic you'd like to see me cover, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can PM me directly or email me. My contact information will be in the description below. And also, please thank and go to the person who sent you here to get your oils. And if you don't have oils, I can be your oil lady, and my website's right here. Reach out to me, sign up. Ooh, I also have a free Essential Oils 101 class that gets emailed in increments. It's not overwhelming information. It comes in nice spaced out increments. So you can save your emails and refer to them anytime you like. That is totally free. Again, it's on my website, and I'll be happy to talk to you when you're ready. All right, until next time, stay safe and happy oiling.